And doing something my dad never does, and cleaning the floor. Fun, fun, fun. Well, it looks like the old battery in the Sears loader is toast. It's from 2012, so I guess what do I expect? But been on charger for it was stone dead. Not even a click, nothing. Stone 100% dead. Been on the charger for, less than 5 minutes now, and it's already showing 88. It's toast. I'll replace that. But I was going to set up the packer here, but the old man wants to wait. Today is April 17th. He wants to wait till I'm here, or he's here, because he wants to videotape it too. Been here for quite a while now, as you can see by the layer of dust. But I also just swept the floor at the same time. Fun, 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 hey? Just going over some different things here. Cleaning up a bit. Auxbeam just sent me some lights here, so that'll be another video. And it's kind of weird. If you notice, I got 4 of them here. I only asked for 2. First package got lost in the mail and ended up making it here. I'll pop these out because these are pretty interesting looking lights. I'm thinking, I'll show you guys where I'm going to put them, but we got a nice stainless steel mounting bracket. We got some awesome looking Auxbeam stickers, which I'm probably going to stick onto my loader. Maybe my truck. I'm still thinking my truck, but at the same time, I'm not too sure about that. Comes with a blue piece of paper here, just giving them some information about their store. Here's the lights right here. I'm going to put a link in the description. I guess I can on this video. Again, this is just a pre-shot of it, not the install video. Look at that heatsink, hey? Yeah, these guys here are going to put out some good lumens, that is for sure. You can see some of them are flood, some of them are spot. I'll show you where I'm going to put them. I actually haven't even really looked yet. Well, actually seeing them here, this is charging. Yeah, they're too big for the tractor. Or maybe not. Well, look at that. I might be able to fit them on the tractor too. That'd be awesome. But the really reason why I got them here, and I got to see if they'll fit, is right in here. Oh, yeah, I got plenty of room to put them in there. So it's on my 2011 Ford Ranger. So I'm going to probably install them on there. But I guess I could do the tractor and the Ranger. Hey, check that out. But very happy with these lights. I did plug one in temporary here. They also sent me a nice wiring harness. I actually got 2 of these guys now. Kind of sucks. The first one took over a month in the mail and got lost, and then 2 months later I got it. Second one still took a month to get here, but because the lights I chose is something that they normally don't carry on their Amazon store. So it's something that's kind of a special order item, so I'm fine with that. So other than that, I still got this one to set up, the one that I got on this magnetic bracket here, this Auxbeam one here. That might end up on the Doom Buggy. Still got to decide. Maybe I could put some on the packer. Nah, that's okay. But let's just see. This thing been on charger, and it's showing 98%. Oh, I bet you it's not 98%, but let's find out if it's going to do anything. Nothing. Ooh, battery's bubbling. Do you guys see that? You guys see the battery bubble there? It just came out of that hole right there when I cranked it. So, yeah, I think I better shut that battery off. It killed the charger, so yeah, I'm not even going to try charging that battery. I'm just going to replace it. So, I'll have to put this somewhere. Just give me a second here. And I just restarted it on a 2 amp before I tried 8 amp and then 12 amp, but yeah, I'm going to guess that guy is shot. Funny thing is, at my house, I got a spare battery, but it's old too, so maybe I'll order an AGM or something off Amazon. I gotta check to see what I can find, but I want it closest to 300 cold cranking amps as I could find, because this one was never enough to start in anything colder than what, -10. This one's probably only a 240. I don't even see it anywhere, but yeah, it's probably a 240 cold cranking amp. So, needs to be changed. She's doing pretty good, but she's being a picky eater again. Yeah, she's being a little bit of a picky eater. Doesn't want to eat her food. She eats chicken breast, no problem. She had 2 chicken breasts. I've been only giving her 1 every morning. That's it. Trying to get her to eat kibble. Canned food she doesn't want to eat still, but you know, she's doing pretty good. And just was looking here. If you guys are wondering how many hours this V-twin has, it has 161 hours on this brand new Vanguard V-twin. Interesting. Pretty low. Well, maybe not for a gasser, but I still say that's pretty low. Proxy, is this going to be funner to play in? Yeah. She's like, hey, wait a minute, there's stuff over there too.
Yeah, spread it out.
Oh, don't say that, she'll just literally spread it out everywhere, and not just what we're talking about. So, a couple wheelbarrows there. Got to move the plywood from underneath it, but just going to spread it out for today. Yeah, spread out that gravel for us, Proxy. Good idea. Spread it out everywhere. And of course, the battery from my house is toast. Looks like someone blew it up using it for boosting. Yeah, she has nothing in her. Just trying to charge it. Well, it's like an hour and a half later. She moved a little bit, but tractor battery, even the second one I brought from my house, is stone dead at 2 volts. Yeah, so go buy a better battery. So Proxy, what did we get done? Well, it was a little late getting the loader going, but got a little bit put in there. Scooped about a quarter of it out of here maybe. So just a thin coat for now because it's meant to rain. Don't play in the tractor, Proxy. But it's got a little bit of the muck here done. Very thin coat. A couple piles over there. But it's going to need a lot more over there and a lot of spreading. But there's a couple holes to fix. All this junk here has to be moved. That corner, maybe a bit there. Again, just kind of working around stuff in case it rains tomorrow.
You want to play ball?
But other than that, got a brand new battery in the tractor and it's going pretty good. But I guesstimate about another 12 hours of work. A lot of raking by hand too, of course. Wow, there's a Sears loader again. A nice workout today, that's for sure. Already have about 4 yards around the corner, filling in where the low spot is behind the shed. But it's going a little bit interesting, so a little bit tricky here. Not running the dualies, so. But anyway, I'll get back to you guys once we're done. We got about half that pile already moved, so we got 10 yards. About 5 yards is already out of it. Nope. Still in the city. Just filling all this in still, slowly. Just had to do a little bit of stuff on here, but what is it, 1 o'clock now? So it's giving time for the tractor to cool down. But another couple hours maybe. What is that? Proxy, were you sniffing rock? Proxy, were you sniffing rock? Come on, what is with your nose? You gotta go back inside. I can't work with you out here. Come on. Come on. Go back in the garage. Are you... Proxy, you look like you're stoned on something that's... Come on. I know you like your hill and I gotta continue taking it down. You look... Come on, I want to get back to work. You gotta go in the garage. Peroxide. Fun, fun, fun. Well, that corner we're going to wait on. There's a little bit extra gravel there. Maybe a quarter of a yard. But the rest of it here is pretty good. Just loading up my truck with stuff to bring back. But, I mean, it's the way it's going to have to sit for now. We do need more. But, come back in the city maybe tomorrow and pick up the loader and the packer. Decided we're not going to bother packing this. And some random junk I cleaned up for my dad's yard. Forklift, snowblower, forklift for the loader, a couple conduit pipes and old stairs and a bunch of other random little things. But yep, dragging that to my house for the horde. Remind me not to back up when I go to leave.